Hello everyone. Before I start this episode, I want to invite you to participate in call for papers for VMconf. It's only 2 weeks before the end of CFP. Also, if you can recommend a good speaker for the conference, it's time to go to VMconf PW and send the recommendation. It will be very much appreciated. In this episode, I want to highlight the latest changes in my Vulristics project. For those who don't know, this is a utility for prioritizing CV vulnerabilities based on data from various sources, currently from Microsoft NVD, Vulners, Attacker KB. Command line interface. I started working on the CLI for Vulristics. Of course, it's not normal to edit scripts every time to release a report. CV lists. If you have a list of CVs that you want to analyze, you can run Vulristics this way. Python 3 and 8, Vulristics Py, report type CV list, CV project name new project, CV list path analyze CV list txt, CV data sources ms nvd vulners attacker kb. Rewrite flag true. In Analyze CV list, I have one CV 2021 42 284, so the output. And in the report file, we can see a block for this CV. I can add a file with comments as well. This can be useful if you are analyzing scan results for multiple hosts and you have such data. Vulnerability scanner. CV 2021 42 284 detected on test host 1 corporation.com. You add a key CV comments path analyze CV comments txt, so the same command but with this flag. And you see this comment under the vulnerability block. Quite convenient. Microsoft Patch Tuesdays. You can also make a Microsoft Patch Tuesday report simply by Python 3.8 Vulristics Py, report type MS Patch Tuesday, MSPT year 2021, MSPT month November, rewrite flag true, and get a report. But before discussing the November Patch Tuesday report, of course, if someone is still interested in it in the last day of November, I want to talk about the product and vulnerability type detections. So improved product and vulnerability type detections. I heavily reworked the part about this. I have simplified and unified the connectors for these sources. Sources now provide text strings for detection. Detection occurs at the time of generation of the report through the analysis of all available descriptions of vulnerabilities. All product detection rules are in data classification products JSON. You can also manage the priority of software detection. In simple terms, the word Windows can indicate that the vulnerability is in the Windows kernel, but only if nothing more specific and rare was detected, for example, Skype for Windows. We can achieve this by setting detection priority equal -1 for Windows kernel. The strings for vulnerability type and product are now highlighted in the vulnerability description with blue and orange. Microsoft Patch Tuesday, November 2021. Just a few words. It was a calm Patch Tuesday. There are 55 vulnerabilities in total, 1 urgent level and 1 critical level. Security feature bypass in Microsoft Excel. It was featured as urgent because of exploitation in the wild, and besides because of a GitHub exploit on Vulners. However, this is a false positive. This is not an exploit but a detection rule. So this happens. Remote code execution, Microsoft Exchange, CV 2021 42 321. This is an actively exploited vulnerability that affects Microsoft Exchange Server 2019 and Microsoft Exchange Server 2016. This is a post-authentication vulnerability that allows code execution. For those who are interested, there is a link to the entire report. And that's it for today. Please subscribe and leave your comments. Bye.